Everyone, my name is Shalima and welcome back to my day 5 of 30 days of spoken English series. My awesome English learners, let me ask you something. Have you ever felt that your career is stuck just because of English? You have knowledge, you have skills, but when it comes to speaking fluently, you hesitate. You are not alone. Do you know that people like Sundar Pichai, CEO of Google, and Priyanka Chopra, global actress, improved their English skills and built successful career internationally? Imagine if they had hesitated thinking my English isn't good enough, they might never have reached where they are today. So today we are unlocking 2 magical rules that will make your daily conversation effortless and natural. But before that, let's do something fun. So today's special task, try guessing the right sentence. Alright, I have/had completed my homework before my teacher asked. Next is she has had never seen a rainbow before. Now drop your answer in the comments. Let's see how many of you get it right. Now let's dive in today's lesson, guys. So before beginning, please subscribe to the channel so that you can get all the lessons that I post for you on this channel. Now coming back to today's video, imagine you are in an interview and the interviewer asks, have you ever led a project before? You hesitate because you are unsure whether to say I had or I have. So this small mistake could cost you the job. But don't worry guys, by the end of this class, you will be able to answer confidently and never hesitate it again. So stay with me till the end because I have a special challenge for you guys. So let's get started. So here I'm going to share 2 magical rules and I'm going to explain each and everything so you can understand better. So the first rule which I'm going to tell you is I had plus verb's third form. This is past perfect tense and this is used when we talk about something that happened before another past action. Okay? Action 1 happened first, then action 2 happened. Alright? Now let's see some example sentences. First example is I had finished my homework before my mom came home. Sentence number 2, they had already eaten before the movie started. Sentence number 3, by the time I reached the airport, the flight had already taken off. Now let's have a quick practice and complete the sentence. Okay, I had never before I tried it for first time. Example, eaten, sushi, traveled alone, spoken in public. These are the examples. These are the options. Now let's learn some common mistakes you should avoid. Okay, so the first one is I had went to the market before she called me. So this is wrong. The correct one is I had gone to the market before she called me. Okay, the next one is she had did her work before the teacher came. So this is wrong. The correct one is she had done her homework before the teacher came. Alright, now guys, you do the practice and see the difference. Now here I have a unique practice method, that is memory chain method. So here is a fun way to practice. Start a memory chain, think of an event in your past and keep linking past action using I had plus verb's third form. Okay, for instance, let me give you some example sentences so you will understand it better. Okay, so the first example, I had woke up early, I had brushed my teeth before breakfast, I had eaten breakfast before leaving for school. Have you seen? I have linked all the sentences. So keep linking and see how long you can go. Alright, for practice. Alright, so here try Sparky AI because now I know some of you might be thinking, how can I practice all of this when I don't have anyone to talk? So that's where technology comes in to help. I recently discovered Sparky AI, and this is an amazing English speaking app where beginners and advanced learners can practice speaking anytime, anywhere, and you don't need a partner. Just open the app and start speaking. It gives instant feedback on your pronunciation, fluency, and even grammar mistakes. So, what makes it special? Let me tell you guys, it helps you speak English without fear by giving you real time corrections. You can practice these magical rules: I had plus third form and I have or has plus third form through interactive conversations. Okay, and the best part of this is completely beginner friendly. So if you are serious about improving your spoken English, download Sparky AI and make it your daily practice buddy. All right, now guys, here I am going to show you a short demo of Sparky AI. All right.
Introducing Sparky, your voice first AI friend for building spoken English fluency. Sparky is a friendly fox you can speak in English with even if you don't speak well. Each conversation is designed to give you practice on specific language concepts or topics relevant to your life. Sparky keeps the conversation going so it never gets boring and helps and supports learners.
Guys, it helps you speak English without fear by giving you real-time corrections. You can practice these magical rules plus I had plus third form and I have has plus third form through interactive conversations. And the best part of this is it's completely beginner friendly, guys. So if you are serious about improving your spoken English, download Sparky AI and make it your daily practice buddy. Alright, now guys, let's talk about the magical rule number 2, and this is very interesting, guys. So the rule number 2 is I have slash I has plus third form. Okay, and this is present perfect tense, and this is used when something happened in the past but it still has an effect right now. Okay guys, think of it, it happened before but it's still important now. Alright, so where you just use I has or I have plus verbs third form. Let me give you some example sentences. The first example sentence is I have never visited Paris. That means until now I haven't. Okay. Next is she has completed her project. It means the work is done and it matters now. Next is they have lived in this house for 5 years. They started in the past and still live there. Alright, now here I would like to share you one quick practice. Okay, this is incomplete word and you should complete. Okay, I will give you some examples, so you should just complete the sentence. Now I am going to show you the sentence. The sentence is I have never dash 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 in my life. An example, eaten sushi, met a celebrity or driven a car. You can choose one and fill in that. Now let's talk about some common mistakes that you should avoid. So the first one is I went to the mall today. I have gone to the mall today. Okay, this is the correct one. Next is she has wrote a book. She has written a book. Okay, wrote is a second form, written is a third form. Now guys, here I would like to talk about a unique practice method, the experience journal. Keep a small diary where you write about your experiences using I have plus verbs third form. For instance, you can write your own example sentences, whatever you have done in the past. Okay, I have learned a new word today. I have watched an English movie recently. I have spoken in English with my friends today. So write down and track your progress. You just take one journal and write about your sentences. Try to make sentences and speak. Okay, you need more practice. So guys, let's have a shadow practice with me. Here I am going to show you few sentences and you should repeat after me. Alright, the first sentence is I had gone to the market. I had gone to the market. Repeat after me, guys. I had gone to the market. Well done. The next is I had completed my project. I had completed my project. I had completed my project. Wonderful. Next is I had scolded my friend. I had scolded to my friend. I had scolded to my friend. I had talked to my friend. I had talked to my friend. Repeat after me, guys. I had talked to my friend. Now let's have a practice with I have plus third form. So the first sentence, repeat after me, guys. I have visited Taj Mahal. I have visited Taj Mahal. I have seen Taj Mahal last year. I have seen Taj Mahal last year. Next is I have gone to the party last night. I have gone to the party last night. Repeat after me, guys. I have gone to the party last night. I have shooted this video. I have shooted this video. I have practiced a lot today. Repeat after me. I had practiced a lot today. Now guys, let me share you 5 new English vocabulary words, and today I'll not give you example sentences. I'll just give you only the word and the meaning, and the rest of the work you will do it by yourself. Means you will have to make the sentences by yourself using the words. Alright, so the first word is garrulous. Garrulous. Okay, I'll tell you the meaning of this word. Garrulous means very talkative. Very talkative. Now you can make sentence by using garrulous. Alright, now let's talk about the word number 2. Candid. Candid. Candid means frank. Okay, candid means frank. So now you can make the sentence by using candid. Candid means frank. Okay, now let's talk about the word number 3. Now the word number 3 is envious. Envious. Envious means jealous. Envious means jealous. Alright, now let's talk about the word number 4. Word is drab. Drab. Drab means colorless. Colorless or dull. Alright, drab means dull or colorless. Alright, now let's talk about the word number 5. So the word number 5 is avid. Avid. Avid means eager. Eager. Alright, now you can just do one thing. You just take all 5 words and create new 5 sentences by using I have plus third form and I had plus third form. Alright, so you just make the sentences and write it down in the comment section. Alright, I will check whether these sentences are correct or not. Alright, now I have a homework for you, which is a task for you, which is, I can say, this is a challenge for you. Alright, so you do one thing. You can just make three sentences while using these words and by using the 2 magical rules which I have shared in today's lesson. Alright, and try to do the practice in front of the mirror and try to speak 24/7 by using all these words or 2 magical rules which I have told you, because these are the powerful rule which are very important. Okay, and these 2, if you will apply these 2 rules in your life, you will never ever hesitate to speak in front of anyone, because you know where you have to use this. Alright, so this is the very good thing which I am sharing in this today's video. Alright, so let me know in the comment section the one thing I would like to ask you, whether you are feeling good, whether you are feeling hopeful with these videos, with the series which I have just started 2-3 weeks before, because I have uploaded already 4 videos, 4 lessons, 4 class of this 30 days spoken English challenge, right? So if you are really hopeful that yes, I'll just continue with that, till 30 days series. All right, so you please let me know in the comment section whether it is helping you or not. If it is helping, that's good for me, right? Then I'll definitely create more videos for you. We are only on day 5, okay, and the best lesson are yet to come, day after tomorrow. So we will unlock another secret to speak fluent English confidently. Stay tuned and don't miss this. So guys, if that's it for today's video, and if you like the video, please give thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like the video and share it with your friends too. So I'm ready if you're excited for the next class. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.